the king and queen of heart, two lost soulmates, and two jokers who are here to help these two lost lovers to find each other. Doesn't matter how much you shuffle or which card the spectator says stop on, the magic will always bring two soulmates together. Hi everyone, I'm Parsa and I'm a magician for a few years and I have about 200,000 followers on Instagram, but I'm new on YouTube and in English language, as you know. So today I'm here to teach you a magic trick that actually you can perform it in two ways. First, a love story, and the second one is even more interesting and impossible. No practice needed and it's super easy and looks completely impossible. Grab a deck of cards and shuffle it as much as you want, and you can do far shuffle and riffle shuffle. Then take the top card and the bottom card and drop them somewhere in the middle, so the deck is completely mixed. Now start dealing the cards until your spectator says stop. But no matter which card your spectator says stop on, because magic will always find the soulmates. For example, here. Now put a joker here and the rest of the deck on it. And remember, there is no other jokers in the deck, just one. Next, we repeat the process to find another half. For example, he says stop. Here, I put another joker here and just give a deck a shake and done. The cards next to the jokers come out, this card and this card. And unbelievably, these two cards are Queen of Heart and King of Heart. How is it possible? That was the first performance. Now let's go for the second one that is more crazier and more interesting. You can use any two different cards, or you can use just paper and write the name of the card on it. Do the same process again. Deal the cards, say stop, completely random. For example, here, put one of these cards here, and again, this time you use these cards or a paper instead of joker, and just like that. And magically, these two cards end up exactly on their magic pair. Three of heart, and Queen of Spades. How is it possible? It's completely random. I hope you enjoyed the performance. Now let's get into the tutorial. But before we start, if you love this trick or even more crazier tricks, just make sure you subscribe my channel, because I teach magic in my channel and you can blow your friends' minds with magic. So subscribe my channel, let's get into the tutorial. Both performances use the same secret. All you have to do is place a king and a queen or any matched card, one on the top and one on the bottom. Then add two random cards, one on the top and one on the bottom. And you can shuffle the deck and make sure you don't switch the place of the bottom cards and the top cards. Now drop one card from the top and one card from the bottom to the middle of the deck. Now your spectator has completely believed that the deck completely shuffled. Now start dealing the cards, and you can show the cards to him, but just the first ones. And when he says stop, you put a joker or the match card here, and when you place this pile on these cards, this card will end up on top of the joker, no matter when he says stop. Just like that. Now the queen is underneath the deck again. So if you deal the cards again, same thing happens, and no matter when he says stop. For example, here put the joker or the match card here and the rest of the deck on it. Then bring out the cards along with the ones on top of them. This card and this card. And these are exactly the cards you sat earlier, whether that's a king or queen or your prediction card. Just like that. If you didn't understand what did I say, that's normal. My English is not really good right now. Watch the video again and do it with me. And if you learned this trick, like this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Parcel and welcome to Parse Magic. parts magic. Thanks for watching.